What's up everyone? Welcome to our next video. We are going to be talking about the Vintage Custom Strat Pickups. Now this is kind of a quick highlight, quick run through of the pickups. We're going to show you what they look like. We're going to talk about the specs of them, and we're going to take a listen to them in this guitar. So first off, the Vintage Customs are going to be a plain enamel wire. We add a base plate to the bridge position to kind of help the fatness of the bridge position. We add more turns across the set of pickups to give you more thickness and more bottom end, so you get a little bit more balanced set. It's kind of a bluesy set, but it's got a little bit more bluesy rock influence, so if you're into Stevie Ray Vaughan, John Mayer, things like that, the Vintage Customs are going to be a great set for you. So let's take a listen to how they sound. Alright, that was a quick look through and the clean sounds of the Vintage Customs in this Made in Mexico Strat. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next video.